Okay, this we're going to show the dual edit screen. So I can open one file, look at it, edit it. If I want to do another side-by-side comparison, I can open up another file and edit them side by side. I could highlight information from one file, copy it, just like any Windows format, and paste it inside of this other file, and vice versa. So you can take information from both sides and swap it, edit your files if they come from another machine, a Makino or a Mitsubishi. You can make some small changes to the top codes, and away you go. So after I hit edit end, I can say exit without saving so I don't change my existing files. Edit end again, close that file out. Now I'm back to the file list. So here's all the files currently in the machine. The next thing I'm going to demonstrate is the selection of your cutting technology. So you can see over here on the left hand screen I have file. I can go to condition, and you have basically this new style wheel to pick your technology just like you would say on an iPhone. So I can say core, die, punch. If I'm away or close on my nozzle, my flushing nozzles, what type of material you're cutting in, whether it's steel or carbide. So those are your two main settings here. Thickness of material. Say it's 3 inches. I would put 3.15. You can say any number of cuts, or you can actually go in there and determine which one of these is more critical to you, the number of cuts or the surface roughness. So if I go by the surface roughness and leave it there, you'll see down here it's giving me two options. So you got 5 passes here and 6 passes here. So if I select it, it now populates my screen over here. I can go ahead and store these into my program. I can store them into floating variables. Whichever way you want to program it, the offsets and cutting conditions will come in to whatever you're used to. Okay, now from this screen, I'm going to show you the graphic draw. When you go into here, you select mode set. You get your manual mode, MDI mode, and memory mode across the top. So we're currently running in memory mode. This is how the screen's going to look when you are actually cutting a program. So you have a very large graphic window, and there is the part that we have already dictated that we're going to cut. So just like your iPhone, you know, you can scroll it around with your fingers, you can shrink it, you can enlarge it, you can even do some ISO with this area off the side where my fingers are. If you want to see an ISO view. Then you can also come up here to the sub-drawing area, and I select that and you see a duplicate image. And what you can do here is you can zoom in very accurately and see the different passes. And if I select Navi, which is for navigational, it'll act like the GPS on your car, and it will keep the wire in the center of every position, and it moves the screen rather than moving the wire, where the main screen moves the wire only and the geometry stays still.